Hey guys, welcome back. I want to share this collection from Fancy Pants Designs with you. The color palette is fantastic. So I grabbed a coffee, and I thought we would look through it together. Now, I did a quick look through because I had a little extra time this week while I was working to fussy cut a couple things out. So I'll show you that as we go. So the collection's called Paislees and Petals, and you get 43 pieces. So let's see. There are 2 each of 6 designs of 12 by 12 double-sided cardstock papers. So it's kind of fab. So if you're smitten with one side, you know how you always love the one side, and the other side is your other favorite paper. You have 2 of each, you're fine. And then you have a sticker sheet, 31 pieces. So I think that would be 31 stickers. I think that's the way the math is going to go. So let's move this aside and I'll show you the entire collection, and then I'll show you like what I could not help myself when I needed to fussy cut all of the things. All right, so our first paper, guys. This is just gorgeous. It's called Timeless Floral, and I love kind of this European tile vibe of it. There's something nostalgic and something kind of like, I don't know, mid-century mod about it. Something that I love. So all of these gorgeous pieces, I fussy cut out the other sheet. I did. I even fussy cut out like itty bitty little tiny pieces because I loved them. So the flip side to this, because I, got my fussy cut on, is this piece. Now, I would have fussy cut it, but I wasn't quite sure how I want to design with it. Love these arch shapes, these like rainbowy arch shapes and the leafy bits and the big explosion of florals. It's gorgeous. The next piece we have, it is this one right here. This is called Forgotten Floral. And you'll see what I did here too. So we've got all of these itty bitty tiny florals, right? This is the other one I went ahead and fussy cut because look at these viney leafy shapes. So I cut out all of the viney shapes, right? Then anywhere, and I am telling you, anywhere there was a little tiny cute floral, I also cut out like the itty bitty floral because those are so great for having like as little sprinkly bits. Okay. Yes, I know, that's a lot. Now our next piece, this is called Floral Paisleys. So it's this great concentrated, saturated tone-on-tone teal. And they're in like little diamond patterns. So there's so many cool things we can do with that. And the other side of that paper is this with these Paisleys. Obviously, it's, Paisleys. Paisleys and Petals. So we've got the florals and these gorgeous paisley pieces and, these white viney pieces. It's like you just start itching to create and make all of the things. That's how I feel. All right, so this piece is called Retro Leaves. And I didn't fussy cut this one out yet because I didn't have the time. But love it. Love the deep teal. I love this mustardy tone, this little peachy vibe going through the veins of the leaves. And look at this. Do you guys see that gray with like the apricot colors? It's so clever. Reminds me of very cool tile. Now we have this piece called Vintage Lace. So we've got that really nice pale peach with this mustard tone. And it's like they're wonky. It's like they're like scribbly scratched. Very cool. And the flip side is the lace, the vintage lace. So pretty. It looks like doilies and lace, and it's soft, but it's got a nice bright pop of white to bring, like a little something back to it. This is Painted Garden. So we've got this really nice dirty gold tone with mustard and teal and apricot and peach, and it is lovely. Just lovely. And the backside to that one is this one that has tons of mustard on it. Much more of a strong, like turquoisey tone in it. And we have white and we have the gray. And I cannot wait to create with this. Now let's look at the sticker sheet. The sticker sheet is like, guys, I always love sticker sheets. I think that they're great, because you can, have like they're not bulky. Like if you want to go to a crop with them, and you can do your whole embellishment thing. Love it. So we've got tags, right? All kinds of tags. We have got these really nice shapes. We have got little label pieces, a couple of great florals. Look at this little frame piece here, super cute. I want to do all of the things. Look, it looks like a little postage stamp. It's got like the notches cut out. So super gorgeous there. So we have that. Let's see what's next. Oh, the foam stickers are black with white foam on the sides. There's 35 pieces. Now there's words, right? You know, wordy bits, but there's also like leaves, and we've got these great hearts in there. So I love it. Like, I love the combo. So you have your title, which is always fun, right? But then when you can put a couple more pieces with that same finish, it brings it together so nicely. Hello, yay, good day, looking fabulous. Be you kind, happy today, happiness, love, fun, fun day. What? Sunday fun day? I'm trying to think when my pictures were taken that we are, Anyway, we will look into that. Gorgeous, gorgeous foamy bits. Then what's next? Okay, I already showed you my massive pile of fussy cut things I already did. Our enamel dots, enamel stickers, clearly are a gorgeous color match. We've got this nice coral, a couple of tealy tones, mustard and apricot. Very nice. And then, oh, but wait, I have my little bin. I have got these 2 sets of ephemera pieces. So there we go. In the event that you don't like to watch the full thing. So this one is the ephemera with 63 pieces in it. And I want to get them all out because I'm going to be creating with this stuff today. And I want to be able to layer all of the things. Come on, I see one little piece. Come out. Oh, it is being a booger. There's a floral piece right there. I will get it out. Okay, let's take a look. So in my bin right here, I've got a ton of these little floral bits that I will no doubt be popping up on a little bit of foam, but that's all that's in there. These cute little floral bits. Ooh, look at this tag with that lace on it, just like the picture, or like the pattern paper. Cute. And then we've got a fishtail banner. Cute little shape with, kind of looks like an advertisement or something on it. Looks like a really dark craft. If you're like, what color is that? Cute little tag here. My absolute favorite. More gorgeous shapes. I like that they're a bit atypical. This shape here is the same shape you see here. Fun. What is this? Footloose and carefree. Look at that. Spring. Another fun shape. So there's all kinds of interesting things. You and me. Cute little tag. Ooh, gorgeous floral. Love all the florals. Like, they're my thing. Tag there. Best day. A little taglet. It's an infant. So gorgeous artwork. Obviously, everything matches beautifully. Ooh, I wonder if that's 1 inch. It is. Ooh, I can make myself a flare out of that. And then a nice long skinny tag. They all have their little hole at the top. Although, depending on how I feel that day, I pop an enamel dot there, and I think it looks so nicely finished. Fun day. That's cute with the triangles. More florals. Come here. See? Cute little florals. Slightly different hues though. Like that one's a darker terracotta, and then there's different color centers. Love the aqua. Oh, this one has a little perforated bit. Right there. See, it's perforated. Cute. Nice little diamonds. Shine bright like a diamond. That one looks perforated. A little postage stamp piece. Good day, sunshine. I can't sing at all. I sound like a frog dying. There we go with a photo corner. There we go there. It looks kind of like bamboo. Cute, cute, cute. So as you see, guys, like the artwork is gorgeous. This is a stunning collection. The thing I like about this collection, Guys, first of all, I love scrapbooking things. So I can say that about like almost every collection. But something I'm digging on is it's themed in that there's some adventure, good day, etc. But you can use it any time of the year, which is kind of fun. But it's one of those things you have to grab collections. You know how it is when you're loving them because you get so bummed out with FOMO. I cannot deal with the FOMO. Cute little floral. Here we've got a frame with Be Kind and a deeper terracotta color. Oh, a nice, oops, I saw that fall. Nice big postage stamp size. Deep terracotta again. Oh, all kinds of the little florals. Oh, Happy Day. Then let's see, cool shape again, circular bit, and fabulous. All right, so that is this piece of the ephemera. Is there anything else to tell you on the back? I don't think so. And then the other set, hold on, oh gosh, is this one has 129 pieces. This one had 63, the larger tag kind of things. This one has 129, and they're all kinds of floral leafy bits, all the things to layer up and make fabulous clusters. Speaking of that, somebody just asked me if I would create a cluster class. Oh, how could I even say that several times? Guys, all these pieces are falling. They're itty bitty little florals in here, and they want to fall face down. So I just thought I'd show you what's in my bin. In my nice, cute little white bin, there's so many itty bitty cute things that you guys can create the most gorgeous floral garden. Look at that mustard color. So sweet little cute bits, tons and tons. Guys, this is my jam. This is so my jam. All of these bits. I'm gonna have so much fun layering. So there's itty bitty ones, right? But then you've got some of these larger sizes. Look at this one. This one's like a big honking coral one. And these pieces in between pop right out. See? Just like that. Boop, boop, boop. Pretty, pretty. So pretty. She's just gorgeous. I loves it. I loves it so much. It's so pretty. Ooh, look at this one. Oh, look at that paisley. So pretty. Look at that. So I cannot wait to start creating with all these pieces and do this whole scene. I already printed out a couple of pictures that I think will work. Like one, I really have to concentrate on the turquoise, and we'll talk about that when I create my layout. Yes, we will. Ooh, look at this one. Look at that one. Oh my gosh, that works for that same layout I was talking about. I can't wait to show you. Okay, this one is just like the pieces that I cut apart, but it's different color. Gorgeous paisley bits, leafy bits, etc., etc., etc. So that's what I have for this collection, guys. I am going to get creating right away. I'm going to have links down below, discount code, the whole thing. And guys, I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Most likely crafting with Paislees and Petals. Bye, guys.